Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Physics Thinkers. Students, I have started a APE set full course for diploma students, those who are appearing for APE set 2025 examination, that is final year students. The branch belongs to electrical and electronic engineering students. Important message to my subscriber and APE set 2025 examination preparing students. I refer to some model papers to give complete basics for the students. Utilize my channel for reference and revision purpose only. Test yourself with top 3 questions from APE set previous papers for especially triple E students. Students, I have given in my previous videos, that is DC machines solved bits. Let's go through the bits I have prepared from model papers. The first question is, why the pole shoe of DC motor is laminated? What is the purpose? The answer is to reduce eddy current losses. Here, energy loss in the form of heat. Improving the efficiency of the DC machine, we have to laminate the pole shoe of a DC machine. That was the main purpose, to help to reduce the energy loss in the form of heat. The answer is B, decreasing the eddy current losses in the DC machine. That's why we are laminating the pole shoe. The second question is, in DC generator, the critical resistance can be increased by. First of all, we know that DC generator running at a certain speed. If you increase the speed, the generator cannot tolerate a higher field resistance. Before it fails to build up the voltage, we have to do increase its field resistance. That's why students, the critical resistance can be increased by increase its field resistance. Otherwise, the generator will not be able to tolerate a higher field resistance. That's why before it fails to build up voltage level in the DC generator by using field resistance. The third question is, which of the following winding are necessary in case of all DC machine? Students, closed winding provide a continuous path for the current to flow through the armature current conductors, enable the commutator to effectively switch the current direction at each brush and maintain a DC output. Commutator is a device, it converts AC to DC. That's why we are using a closed winding to provide a continuous path for flowing. That's why in all DC machine we have to provide closed winding we can use to provide continuous path of current. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like my video, give a like to my video and your valuable comment, everyone. Share and subscribe to our Physics Thinkers channel. Students, APE set 2025 appearing, especially triple E students, utilize our Physics Thinker channel for best practice and revision purpose. Click the notification bell to get more updates on this type of bits. Have a nice day, students. Bye.